exhale. Your left hand go forward. With the inhale, up and hold there to exhale. If you tighten up your stomach muscle, squeeze your stomach muscle, that gives you better balance. Take one more deep breath in. As the exhale, bring all the way down. Going for the child pose. You can always go back to child pose. Now, we're gonna go to downward facing dog. Then we're gonna go stand up. Take inhale, come on back to all four. Adjust your distance between your hand and your knee. Your knee should be right under your hip. So if you need a little bit more distance, move your hand forward. I keep mine right under shoulder. And we're gonna, let me take this thing away from you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to tuck the toes. So there you go. And take a deep breath in. As I exhale, bring your buttocks all the way up. Beautiful. This is a downward facing dog. We are going to take one more deep breath in here. As I exhale, bend the knee. Okay. Going back to all four. Can we do again? Tuck the toe, exhale, bring your buttocks up. Beautiful. And bend